يغفر لكم ذنوبكم والله غفور رحيم.
O Messenger, tell people, if you indeed love Allah, follow me, and Allah will love you and will forgive you your sins. Allah is all forgiving, all compassionate.
قل أطيعوا الله والرسول فإن تولوا فإن الله لا يحب الكافرين.
Say, obey Allah and obey the Messenger. If they turn away from this, then know that Allah does not love those who refuse to obey Him and His Messenger.
إن الله اصطفى آدم ونوحا وآل إبراهيم وآل عمران على العالمين.
Truly, Allah chose Adam and Noah and the descendants of Abraham and of Imran above all mankind,
ذرية بعضها من بعض والله سميع عليم.
for His messengership, a people alike and the seed of one another. Allah is all-hearing, all-knowing.
إذ قالت امرأة عمران رب إني نذرت لك ما في بطني محررا فتقبل مني إنك أنت السميع العليم.
He also heard when Imran's woman said, O Lord, behold, unto you do I vow that the child in my womb is to be devoted to your exclusive service. Accept it then from me. Surely you alone are all-hearing, all-knowing.